The purpose of the booster is to improve the fit of the seatbelt, which is designed for an adult, so that it can properly protect a child in a crash. It essentially boosts the child up on the vehicle seat. Regardless of what type of booster you use, it needs to provide good belt fit. The lap belt should be low across the hips, not riding up on the belly, and the shoulder belt should sit at the center of the shoulder, not falling off the shoulder or riding up on the neck. And the knee should bend comfortably at the edge of the seat. This helps prevent slouching. It's important your kid is comfortable in their booster seat so they maintain a good seating position throughout the ride. This ensures the belts can do their job in the event of a crash.